remembering who you are as the one. You are holographic consciousness. Each of you in your human bodies are fractals of the whole, which basically means that the universe is a reflection of yourself. In a separated reality, humans don't understand this idea. So if they see something they don't like in another person, they might judge that other person, not realizing they're really throwing their judgment at a mirror, because the one they are judging is really a part of them. You're seeing many polarized issues on your world. And no matter what your belief is, it's really hard to understand and accept that someone's perspective is true to them too. And as this polarity gets more and more intense, it creates a force where the poles are pushing against each other. And eventually, somehow, some way, they transform. So right on schedule, your world is heading toward eventually this understanding of the absence of objective reality. You can't see the way you have been used to seeing, but your new vision is one based on trust. This idea to an ego is confusing and scary. But as the ego anchor lightens, you will find that it's the only way you're able to navigate, because the old way feels too painful. One of the reasons why your mass consciousness created COVID was to give you an opportunity to break some very old patterns. Look around your world now and you see so many changes, the way businesses are running, the way restaurants can serve food, the way you're working at home maybe more now, for example. You can start to see how the foundation is shifting, though right now it may look like it's chaos and not good. There's a dying of the old, and you are moving more into an unknown reality that you cannot see. This is part of your evolutionary upgrade.